Hi, Planner Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with February's planning for the week of the 14th through the 20th. And we're going to get started with I'm using stickers from that the company sent me that I'm doing the review for. And also I am using stickers from Denise Albright. So one thing I want to do is put this last little target there and get this sticker here and put it right next to the target. So we got that. I did it. The 14th, let me fold this over. We're going to put a little washi on the 14th. Right down at the bottom here. Like so. And then we are going to put a heart right there. We're going to put our little to-do list thingy right here. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta stick this over here before I forgot. Okay, sorry about that. So now I want to go through this part first. I had an appointment for the 14th, but it got canceled. So I don't think there was any other appointments that week. Let's double check that. I got a lot of chores to do, but that's normal. I have a lot of reminders to put on here. So we're also going to take this, since it's the week of Valentine's Day, and use it as the washi on the bottom. Okay? And I can use this again next year. So I'm going to save that. And we're going to come up with some chores list to do. So I can put little stickers so I can put them in my book here. So now we're going to move to Thursday. And I'm going to take my little sticker to be home by and put it right up here, which I should be using my tweezers to do, but I don't. So we're going to pick up the next one with tweezers, put that on Friday. Sunday is fun day. So I'm going to use one of these little stickers here on the end. I'm going to take one of these and put it on the top. And then one of these. And if I can find the sticker that I'm looking for. There we go. I found it. That's another sticker I'm going to have to see if I can find more of. Because I'm out. I am out of that one. So I have to see if I can get a hold of her website and get more. So a little decor, since it is Valentine's Day week. We're going to put some hearts all over this and a butterfly. Let's see. Bend that over. And we're going to try to put a whole bunch of little hearts everywhere. Okay, we're going to take the tweezers and put the butterfly on Saturday. Okay, so let's take these tiny little hearts. If we can get them off the sheet here. They're so tiny. Let's flip this over. And put them all over here. And put a little bit more over here, and then we're done. Two more. There. There we got it. Okay, Durkee. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe by hitting that red subscribe button down below. And hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Happy planning on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be kind, be caring, be safe. Keep planning. Be crafty. Can't forget that one. And also be blessed and be safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy planning on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.